Hey guys, I got slime from Peach Babies. I got two things. So I got here. I got baby axolotl. Let's do a little bit of ASMR with it. Okay, and then the next one we have is Cotton Candy Snow, which feels so good. And it also smells really good too. And those are the two slimes I got, and then I really love it. They are super satisfying and really soft. This one I think is my favorite. I like the color of this one and how it feels and how it smells.